Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to drag function or formula on Google Sheets mobile. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened my Google Sheets and I have a sample data right here, and this is the formula of average score. So you can see I'm using average formula, and I want to drag this function or formula until the bottoms of the data. And if you are using it on your computer or laptop, you can just simply click on a corner of the cells and then drag it until the bottom, but you can't do this on Google Sheets mobile. So what you need to do is click on the cells and again drag it as you did in a computer like this, and then after that long press on the block cells and you'll find autofill. Click on that, and just like that the function will be dragged until the bottom of the cells that you drag before. Okay, so I think that's it. That is how you can drag function or formula on Google Sheets mobile. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.